Alrighty, we are back playing Stellar Blade.
Should we head down again?
No, just follow the path and go straight.
Not gonna worry about that, dude, because we already fought him last time. Straight, he says. That's not very straight. I'll try to find, later, I'll try to find how many bosses are in this game. Like, how many main bosses. And then from there, I'll just see how many videos. Because if I'm gonna do a boss per video, then... And there's, like, only, like, 10 bosses, then I'll be like, whatever, I'll just do 10 videos. But if it's, like, 30 or something, I'll probably end up doing, like, 2 bosses a video. Construction zone.
We've come quite far. How much more do we have to go?
We just have to pass that sewage facility. There must be a way to get across. We can build ourselves a bridge if we use that crane.
Okay. I'm doubting this is the generator I need.
ID card.
That's a surprise tool that can help us later.
Okay. Ah, over here. Okay, there we go. That was weird. Okay, gear socket. Whatever that means.
Adam, I have a question.
What is it?
The hypercell. If it sustained the Hall of Records until now, it must be a huge source of energy.
Yes. Even compared to a fusion cell.
Then, where are you planning to use this energy?
Oh, well, it's kind of a long story. But I can explain more when you come back.
It sounds kind of
Understood.
suspicious.
Loud and clear.
Try using the crane.
It's not working.
But there is power. That's strange.
ID card from earlier?
We need an ID card if we
Yep,
want to
knew
operate
it.
That's a surprise tool that can help us later.
3 of them, actually.
If the ID cards are needed for the crane, then they should be nearby.
I need 3 of them.
I'll look for the closest one first.
That one's already open, okay.
Okay. You can take your time.
Oh my god, it's been here the entire time. I feel so silly. I feel so stupid and so silly.
Wow. What a view.
I wonder what it looked like before the war.
Imagine bustling streets, crystal clean air, and people smiling everywhere you look.
Have you ever seen something like that before, Adam?
Yes. A long time ago.
ID card? Yep, 3rd one. There you go. Up. There you go. Go get that. Okay.
Excellent. We're almost there. We'll find the Alpha as soon as we get through this place.
I feel like he's lying to me. I feel like he knows we're not gonna find it. Okay.
Oh, it's collapsing!
Damn. There we go. Okay. I can't open chest in combat. I think it's stupid. Not like it matters that much though. Okay. Right in the coin slot.
We have to open the valve to supply water.
Okay. Alright, easy enough.
That's it. That's our key.
Alright. And we got some looty loot. Think. Okay. I was just checking my mic to see if it was on. I was like, if
There isn't
I
enough
haven't been
water.
recording this entire time, I swear to God.
We have to dive down to open a different valve.
I'll probably do that off camera.
We found the key.
Okay. Can she? Okay, I was gonna say, can she split them up or? Bam, bam. Anything else? No, just that. That was convenient that it was right there.
This should be enough. Get out by going back to where you started. This way. We're almost there. We're finally outside. See that crater over there? That area is Alpha Natiba territory.
What's a drop pod doing there?
It was abandoned a long time ago. Let's take a closer look.
The coin slot. Not like I need to recharge, but whatever.
Eve, it's pretty faint, but I'm picking up a distress signal coming from that drop pod.
That means...
There might still be survivors.
Really?
I can't say for sure, and the Alpha Natiba could appear at any moment, so let's make sure we're well prepared.
Okay. It's probably gonna be a boss fight, isn't it?
Let's see what's here.
Wait. I hear something.
Oh shit. Grindy, grindy, grindy. Grindy donut. I'm really tempted to see what happens if I fail a reaction command. Oh, oop. Off. I meant quick time event. I've been playing Kingdom Hearts too much. Damn. This is kind of like a gorilla. Fuck. Okay, I thought I could block that. Are those unblockable? This might be unblockable. Oh fuck. I hate to learn his pattern. Okay. Okay. There we go. Retribution should do a decent amount of damage. Ooh, yeah. Nice, nice damage. Boing, boing, boing. 3 tries, I think. 3 tries, not too bad. Damn. Damn. Sheesh. Okay, Gigas. Gigas. Just kidding, I know it's Gigas. Is there any
My
survivors?
goodness. I can't believe this.
This is the Alpha Natiba. You can tell by looking at its core.
The truth is,
Hello? Here! Can somebody rescue me?
a human voice?
In the pod!
If you're there,
Is it a trick?
help!
I feel like it's a trick. Oh, no, it's not. Okay.
What the?
Were you the one who sent the rescue signal?
Huh? Yes.
Damn, she's kind of
Yes,
bad,
it
though.
was me. You're a member of the 7th Airborne Squad, right? I'm an engineering support of the 5th Airborne Squad. Lily Artemis II.
Yeah, she's kind of bad, though. I backed the fuck out of her.
So just to recap, you were in that hideout waiting for another squad to arrive for almost 2 years?
And then you met us.
Yes. Thank you so much for saving me. Eve, you're from the
I didn't mean
Airborne
to do
Squad
that.
Assault Force, right?
Yes.
Then I can be your engineering support. Of course, I will need proper equipment first.
Well, I did want to say something earlier.
What is it?
Actually, there's a city where other survivors, besides me, live.
What? Really?
It's called Zion, humanity's last city.
Xion?
If
Kingdom
we go
Hearts?
there,
Xion Kingdom
there
Hearts?
might be people that can help us. I have a safe house with some equipment I bet you would want.
Then let's head there quickly.
Before that, I would like to ask you something. Help me save Zion. If you do, I promise Oracle and I will do everything we can to help you on your mission.
Okay,
It's
maybe
about
he's
joining
not a traitor.
forces and helping each other, just like we did before. Sound good?
Yes. Thanks to teamwork, I was able to get the Alpha Core.
Maybe we can get more information in the city, Eve. Think about it.
Yes. I suppose there's no reason to say no.
Well, I guess that settles that. All right then, let's head to Zion.
Yes!
Yippee! Road trip! You hear those cracks?
The place you see below is my safe house. The auxiliary engine's output is weak, so things can get bumpy. Hold on tight.
Wow! A whole city underneath the wasteland. It's amazing.
So, where do we go?
No time for breaks. Typical Eve. Oracle is in the presence chamber. Follow me.
Pre-order? Oh, okay, I see. This is what I
Looks
get
like
for
they built the
pre-ordering.
city deep and high.
Alright. Nice. Let's see what's in the shop, because I might have unlocked other stuff. I mean, I have plenty of gold, so I might as well. I wish they give more options to use, like, gold with. Like, more stuff in the shop, but I guess not. I have 7 points, so might as well go ahead and use them. About it. Okay. I think that's good. Items closed? Okay. Shield destruction gear and combo enhancement gear. I think I'll keep that. Ooh, I like this. Pretty good. Does that do anything? I don't think it does anything. Alright. Oh damn, I was gonna go down that ladder over there, but alright.
Wow, what is this place? I wonder how the colony would react if they knew about this. Adam, why are the streets so empty?
We have a situation here. You'll see when you get to the presence chamber.
My fault. Hopefully it'll let us run in the city because I don't have to walk everywhere.
Come on, we're almost there.
Other enhancement core. Alright. Replenish ammo. Oh, okay.
Hey, Rael. It's been a while.
Looks like you brought guests.
Very important guests. Can you open the door?
Go. Oracle is waiting for you.
Anyways.
Whoa, this place. This is where the memories are kept, right?
You've got a keen eye. That's right. The presence chamber is where memories are stored. The memories of those who couldn't make it back to Mother Sphere. Over here.
Why does Adam look like he's been mewing with that fucking jawline?
Oh. I see we have guests. Welcome.
Let me start the introductions. This is Zion's prophet, Oracle.
Adam has told me all about you. You defeated an Alpha Natiba. Could you show me anything it might have dropped? Oh, it's an Alpha core. Please, a moment. Your objective is to rid the world of the Elder Natiba, the leader of all other Natibas. Unfortunately, the nest cannot be opened with the Alpha core alone.
What? No way!
But is there really no other way to reach the nest?
By fusing 4 Alpha cores together, you create something called a Master Core. Only with the Master Core will you be able to reach the very deepest corner of the nest.
How do you know all this?
Thanks to my personal link to the facility on the surface, I can search anywhere and everywhere on Earth. All I require is the right amount of energy.
That would also mean you'd be able to track down the Alpha Natiba.
That's enough for introductions. Adam, please insert the hypercell.
Oh, that's what he needed it for. Okay.
Eve, the hypercell you brought will bring light to Zion. Here, try putting the hypercell in here.
Okay.
Is this some kind of graveyard?
No, The people here are in a deep sleep due to energy depletion. Carrying on this way, it can only bring darkness.
So it's only Adam and Oracle
Eve,
and the two guards?
please help us.
Do we need more hypercells if the citizens ever want to wake up?
Yes. We need 3 more hypercells if we ever want to fully rebuild Zion.
Thank you for your hard work. Thanks to you, the lives of tens of thousands of people have been extended. And my personal link is also stabilizing.
This dude gives me Mimir vibes from God of War. I mean, I guess just Norse in general. But...
All the Elder's energy is still being directed at maintaining the cradle.
Oh, this here is Man, a Sentinel commander.
Man.
He also serves as Oracle's
Wow.
bodyguard.
Okay.
My skills are still limited, shall we say, so I am not yet able to reach new areas. However, with the power of more hypercells, I'm certain I can track the location of the Alpha Natiba. Can we count on you to retrieve another hypercell from there?
Alright.
Eve, I'm sure it'll be of help.
Yes. We have no other choice.
Okay.
I have to finish the maintenance on the tetrapod before we leave. Eve, can I ask you for a
Dude,
favor?
Adam's fucking jawline.
I
You could
ordered
grate
a
cheese with that
propulsion
shit.
Control board from a parts store called Sister's Junk. Can you go pick up the order and meet me back at the safe house?
Forgive me. I was wrong.
Okay, whatever, dude. Behemoth Red. Okay. Why is there 3 fucking striped blue 10s? And they're all facing the same way. What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with this
This is
bitch?
a restricted area. Huh. So you're an angel. What brings you here? Looking for a tour?
I was curious about the song coming from inside.
I wonder how long she can keep singing, with her body in the state it's in. Huh. I don't even know why I'm talking about this.
I'm trying to be sensitive, but if you need help, we might be able to fix her.
In that case, could you help me?
Alright.
A few moments later.
Angel. I can't believe the...
Are you the owner of the shop?
That's right. At least for now.
Adam sent me to pick up the new propulsion control board he ordered.
Alright. Alright.
Eve! Come take a look. Come! Stretch your
Hey.
arm out in front of you. Go on.
Oh, dope.
The drone is different.
Yes, this is no longer the drone you knew. It's an all-new, upgraded Drone 2.0 that can launch long-range projectiles.
2.0, but okay.
No,
Get a
it's
fucking
more
minigun
than
now?
just an upgrade. It's an evolution! Now try hitting the target. Great!
Okay.
Right on target again!
Hold on, I need to... This shit is too fucking fast. Y'all can make fun of me if you want to. I don't care.
Now, focus.
God. I'm not used to aiming on a controller.
Now, focus.
Oh my fucking god.
Now, focus.
I'm just gonna wait here. Oh my god, even when I wait. There we go, holy shit.
That's amazing, Lily.
Colony Tech at your service. What do you think?
Damn kid. Tinkering with my drone.
It'll be very useful for the mission. Thanks, Lily.
Great. Let me know if you ever run out of ammunition.
Okay, so that's what the ammunition thing is for. Let's talk to her about that other chick.
I want to go to the wasteland too. Or do you think I'd just go?
Lily, I have to ask you something. I found someone who's been injured very badly. She's too weak to speak, and there's no chance of her moving. The technology here won't do. Do you think you might be able to help somehow?
Well, yes. But do you really think this is a good time?
The people here, they have negative feelings towards the colony. Many of them
They're
feel
probably,
it's
the colony's probably evil.
I want them to see that our mission isn't just for the sake of appearances.
I can give it a try, but I can't guarantee a complete recovery.
I understand. Just tell me what you need.
I'll send over the list. And please try not to spend too much time on this. After all, we still have a mission.
I know. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Dope. Okay. Let's go. We got missiles and shit now.
I can read a variety of data from this. Looks a little sloppy, but it should be useful in understanding the city's current status.
I think I can figure this one out.
Elevator to the presence chamber.
$72? Okay, that's what it was.
Too easy. Looks like there's a lot of it. All right. Let's take a look at some of the stories of the citizens.
What the fuck does Bitcoin do, though? I'll do those later. I ain't trying to hog my entire time that I have with the useless side quests. Ooh, another soda. How much is it? Oh, that's what Bitcoin's used for. I see. Might as well get this stuff.
I brought back what you asked for. Anyway, let's go to the...
Well, there are still...
Then when will you be ready?
Unfortunately, it's going to take longer than a day.
Then I'll go ahead on foot. You can use the drone to guide me.
What? The wasteland...
I can't just sit here and... In fact, I want to see the wasteland.
You're one of a kind, Eve. All right. I'll guide you with the drone. The wasteland is that way.
Wow, gee. No, duh. Oh my god, I would have never fucking guessed that. I would have never seen that giant ass fucking cave.
Angel, you'll need useful information in order to... Did you know that there is an information dealer in the city? I think it'll be worth it for you to meet...
Okay, you know what, whatever. Why not? I'll do it. That's all that there was? Oh, it's this chick, right? Guess I'll buy everything. Yay, increased affinity. Yay, maxed out affinity. That was easy.
For a cutie like you, I'm willing to
Ooh,
go
she called me a
beyond my
cutie.
reach to get what you want.
I need more Bitcoin.
I had a good.
Let's leave it at...
This is a dial thing, right? Fucking, what the fuck is it? A phone. Holy shit, there's no way I forgot what a phone was for a second. I think I'll pick up this objective just to see if I can get it done during the main mission, but I'm not gonna actively do it. Damn. What the fuck?
How dull.
What do you mean, dull?
Oh, I guess you heard that.
You said the quiet part out
sorry
loud.
if I offended you, Angel.
I wasn't asking for an apology. I just wanted to know why you said that. What is this place?
This is my shop, Gwen Hair Salon. I'm Kasim, the hairstylist.
Hair.
I style your hair so you feel better. Your hair looks great. It's full of, but that potential is...
Is that so? Are you saying you can make my hair less...
Of course. But I don't have the proper tools with me, right? Those so-called scavengers. But then they probably just threw them away.
Thrown away?
Things like that usually end up in the landfill.
Okay. I can look for them. In return, you will style my hair.
Sounds good to me. I'm missing 3 items. Scissors, hair dryer, and hair straightener.
Okay.
Understood.
I'll be waiting here, Angel.
Okay. Glad I did that.
You must be the Angel. Sorry, but can you spare a moment?
What's going on?
I normally wouldn't get a stranger involved. I'm worried about my comrades and I can't afford to send a
What happened?
As you know, Naytibas are finding a new variant is not even a big... This particular new variant recently appeared in the Wasteland. So we've been keeping an eye on, but one of my scout teams has not...
A new variant, you say?
Yes, a formidable... I'll send you the coordinates. There's an abandoned oil storage facility.
So, you want me to find those sentinels?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Is this a scene, or what happened? Okay. Thought my shit crashed.
All right. I've entered the scanned coordinates of Altus Lavoir. Let's go.
Okay. Activate this first.
The camp doesn't have power.
Huh? Let's see. It looks like a good amount of the camp's energy is being supplied by nearby. I think there's an issue with the supply network.
What can we do about it?
This is gonna be tricky.
The fuck?
Outside of Zion, there's a solar tower that supports energy links to nearby facilities. It seems like there might be a problem with the tower. We're going to have to go and check.
Fucking Breath of the Wild type shit. Edgeboar? I thought it said fucking hedgehog for a second. Okay. Okay, we're at the tower.
It looks like this is it. I see a drone over there.
Hello. I'm Service 001. Standard service drone.
What the fuck?
System error.
Wait a minute. That looks like the service drone is stuck in the debris. I think.
Bruh.
Thank you, Administrator. Thank you. System maintenance may now resume.
Good. At least the drone is intact.
System is now all clear. Reboot successful.
Yep. Alright, nice. We got that done. Real question is, how do I get down? Whoa, how the fuck am I zooming?
Power returned to many thanks to the
If I have to talk to this robot one more fucking time, I am going to lose my